Hello YouTube, welcome to my next video. Today I will show you 4 most important things to check before flying any drone. So don't waste our time and let's start it up. Safety tip. Flying drones always comes with responsibility. Guys, remember this fact because it's really important to always check if your drone is fully operative before any flight. Remember. 1. Parallels. Check if parallels or a central part is not broken or deformed. Check if both screws are at the same level. Check if none of them is unscrewed or loosened. When you turn parallels by finger, they ought to stay in the same position. 2. Motor. Check connection between parallel and the motor. Disconnect it. Ensure that there are no damages on the plastic. Connect it again. In my case, there is a spring. You have to feel the tension when you're connecting it back to your drone. Finally, rotate the motor. It should be running very smoothly. Also, you cannot hear any strange noises. Three arms. Check if none of them is not broken. Check the front side, then check the rear side. Next, try to hide them by moving back several centimeters back. Each arm should come back to its previous position. It means that the spring works. 4. Battery. Try to separate battery from a drone. It should stay in a stable position. Additionally, check buttons if working properly. Check the battery power. Flying with less than 30% capacity take a lot of risk, remember. That's all for today folks, thanks for watching my video and please subscribe if possible. Thanks, take care, high five.